The true story of the Hollow Earth theory. First, a crucial point of clarity. The Hollow Earth theory is not a single, unified idea, but a spectrum of related concepts that have evolved over centuries. It is considered pseudoscience and has been thoroughly debunked by modern geology and physics. There is no scientific evidence to support a hollow Earth. Seismic readings confirm it is made of solid layers surrounding a dense, primarily iron-nickel core. However, its story is a fascinating chapter in the history of ideas, blending early scientific inquiry, mythology, and outright fiction. The proposer, Edmund Halley, 1656-1742, the theory in its first scientific form was indeed proposed by the renowned English astronomer, geophysicist, and mathematician Edmund Halley, of Halley's Comet fame. When 1692, where, before the prestigious Royal Society of London. Publication. His ideas were detailed in a paper published in the Philosophical Transactions of the Royal Society. Halley's theory, a scientific for its time. Proposal. It's vital to understand that Halley wasn't a crackpot. He was a brilliant scientist trying to explain anomalous real-world data with the best tools available to him. His theory was a legitimate, if incorrect, scientific hypothesis. The problem he was trying to solve. Halley was studying the Earth's magnetic field. Compass needles point north, but their direction varies slightly over time. Magnetic declination. Furthermore, the magnetic North Pole seemed to wander. The cause of Earth's magnetism was a complete mystery in the 17th century. His hollow Earth model. To explain the strange magnetic readings, Halley proposed a revolutionary model. A hollow shell. The Earth, he suggested, was a shell about 500 miles thick. Inner spheres. Inside this shell were two concentric inner spheres, one inside the other like a nested Russian doll. Atmosphere and life. Each of these spheres and the space between them had its own atmosphere. He speculated that the interior was luminous and that the atmospheres might separate, allowing the inner spheres to support life. Magnetic explanation. Halley proposed that each of these inner spheres rotated independently at slightly different speeds. He believed they were magnetic, and that their relative movements generated the Earth's complex and shifting magnetic field. This was an ingenious attempt to explain the data. Supporting evidence. Halley pointed to the aurora borealis, northern lights, suggesting they were caused by the escape of this luminous gas from the Earth's interior through thin sections of the crust at the poles. Halley's theory was a serious attempt to solve a real scientific puzzle. It was not about secret civilizations or openings at the poles, those came later.